how to expand double brackets in 98 seconds. Let's go. When it comes to expanding double brackets, guys, the key is going to be to multiply each of the terms in our first bracket by each of the terms in our second bracket, and then to simplify. Let's see what I mean. So in this first example, what are we going to do? X plus 3 times by x plus 4. We're going to do x times by x first of all. That's going to give us x squared. And then we're going to do x times by 4. That's going to give us plus 4x. And then we're going to do 3 times by x. That's going to give us plus 3x. And then we're going to do 3 times by 4. That's going to give us 12. Next, we can simplify 3x plus 4x. What's that going to give us? It's going to give us 7x. So we have x squared plus 7x plus 12 as our first expanded version. What about this next example? X plus 6 times by x minus 2. Again, each of the terms in our first bracket by each of the terms in our second bracket. X times by x, that's going to give us x squared. X times by minus 2, we're going to get minus 2x, and then 6 times by x, that's going to give us plus 6x, and finally 6 times by minus 2, that's going to give us minus 12. Then we can simplify minus 2x plus 6x, that's going to give us plus 4x, so we're going to have x squared plus 4x minus 12 as the answer to our second one. And finally, we have 2x plus 8 times by 3x minus 2, the hardest one so far. What's it going to be? First off, 2x times by 3x, that's going to give us 6x squared, followed by 2x times by minus 2, that's going to be minus 4x. Up next, 8 times by 3x, that's going to give us plus 24x. Up next, 8 times by minus 2, that's going to be minus 16. And finally, collecting our like terms, minus 4x plus 24x, that's going to give us positive 20x. So we're going to have 6x squared plus 20x minus 16, guys, as our expanded answer to our final question.